Another helpful tip brought to you by Associated Plumbers. Did you know the most dangerous piece of equipment in your house is your water heater? Most water heaters have safety features to keep them safe, like the temperature and pressure valve. This valve releases water if the temperature or pressure gets too high. It is important to test it once a year for proper working order. This tip sponsored by Associated Plumbers, the home of flat rate pricing. Give us a call at 666-9483 or visit us online at associatedplumbers.com.